shi boom, 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 boom. Boom, shi boom, 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 boom. Explore the jungle, swing from vines, climb a mountain, run with lions, secret tunnels and ancient ruins. Don't you worry, we'll be there soon. Fantastic, that's what you say when you're having a thumping day. Fantastic, hip hip hooray, get ready for a thumping day. Boom, shi boom, 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 boom. Boom, shi boom, 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 boom. Ears are flapping now, don't be late. We've got no memories to make. Adventure calling from near and far in the kingdom of King Babar. Fantastic, that's what you say when you're having a thumping day. Fantastic, hip hip hooray, get ready for a thumping day. Boom, shi boom, 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 boom.
Wow, cool! Are they really?
Yes, they really are.
Dinosaur tracks.
Amazing creatures, the dinosaurs. Long extinct, of course, but you can still find proof of them in fossilized tracks and bones and... Wow!
Sorry. What are you guys doing?
Tracking a dinosaur.
Really?
Hey, Tersh! Bring the ball back! You got some more losing to do!
I'm staying, Delash. I want to track a dinosaur, too.
Aw, that's baby stuff!
Where is the dinosaur, Professor?
It was right here, millions of years ago.
We should show this to my Papi. He loves history and discovery stuff.
Why not bring him some fossils? They're found on small rocks, too.
That's a tusk-tastic idea.
Be alert for unusual shapes or different colors in the stone. Mostly, keep your eyes open. Wow!
Come on, let's get fossil finding.
Tracking dinosaurs. This'll be so fun. Oh, I see a fossil. Out of my way. Oh, no, just mud. Dinosaurs are extinct? Sometimes Delash's feet stink. Are the dinosaurs gonna come back someday? I really want to see one.
Guys, look.
Huh? Look at what, Badou? Did you see a dinosaur?
Yeah. Down by the water. Sometimes they come for a swim.
Really, Badou? Wow! That's where I'm gonna look.
Come on, Chiku. We'll bring it back a fossil.
Whoa!
Nice save, Bogbait. Come and play.
I'm waiting for a dinosaur.
There's no such thing anymore.
Look at this, Delash. It's too big to be a bird's egg, and the wrong color for a croc's egg, and turtle eggs are round. You know what it is, Delash? It's a dinosaur egg! What else could it be? Badou said the dinosaurs come to this spot. It's moving! It's gonna hatch! There's a baby dino coming!
I got a fish fossil, a tiny little fish, Bill.
I couldn't find the shell, but I got one with the leaf.
Come on,
Hey,
come on.
what's the lash up
See
to?
the incredible croco discovery of the century. A real dinosaur egg. Only one ice cream cone per peek. Give him a peek, a quick one.
Don't bother. That isn't a dinosaur egg.
Is so.
Dinosaurs disappeared millions of years ago.
But you told me dinosaurs come around here.
Tersh,
No, this is so a dino egg.
Come one, come all. See the incredible scientific trick of the century. A fake dinosaur egg. Only one ice cream cone per peek.
So, Tersh thought he'd found a dinosaur egg because you told him dinosaurs still exist.
I'm sorry, Papi, but he was taking the fun out of fossil finding. You always say learning should be fun.
But it shouldn't be used to make fun of others. What kind of egg did Tersh run off with?
I don't know. Nits and gnats, Papi. If that egg gets broken, it'll be my fault.
That egg is going to need its mother.
And then he ran off with the fake dino egg before I could get even one ice cream cone.
The boy has no head for business.
I'll find Tersh and the egg, Papi. I promise.
It's important that you do, Badou, as fast as you can.
Why would Babar think Tersh's egg was important unless it...
Unless it was a real dinosaur egg.
Badou doesn't believe that.
Nephew Kumpoop. Maybe he told you that to trick you. Imagine what I could do with a dinosaur in my army. I could take over Celestville and conquer the rhino's kingdom. I could become an emperor. Oh, no. Oh, we need to find Tersh and the egg before Badou gets to him.
I know where to find him, Uncle. I know where he likes to hang out.
You're safe, little egg. When you hatch, we'll go find your mommy. My mom didn't want me to come live with Uncle, but he said Helper Crocs made him look important. Cozy as a croc in a sock. My mom used to say that when I was little. I sure miss her.
Are you sure Tersh came this way from the beach, Boo? Because I don't see him. I don't see scale or tail of him.
Chiku, look.
Beach sand.
Tersh came running this way.
Come on, let's find him.
How touching.
Uncle, what are you doing here?
I told him about your silly egg.
May I see it? Magnificent. You're sure it's a dinosaur? Because that's what I need to make me emperor!
Uncle, no! Give it back!
Tersh, what happened?
My uncle and Delash took my egg!
Why would they want the egg? How come?
It doesn't matter. We need to find them and make sure they don't hurt it.
We have to hurry! I think he's gonna hatch.
How do you hatch one of these things, Uncle?
Nephew Kumpoop, everyone knows you keep it warm.
Oh, we can put it over a fire. That'd keep it warm.
Excellent idea. Gather some wood.
Ambassador Crocodilus, please hand over the egg.
Muck and Mire!
Stop!
Uncle, no!
Oh!
Got it!
Wait!
No!
What are we gonna do, Badou? When the egg hatches, the baby is gonna need to be kept safe and warm. It's gonna need a mommy to protect it.
A mommy? A mommy! Tersh, that's a fantastic idea. Follow me. We have to get to the professor.
I don't like trees. Crocs are bad climbers.
Keep going. You're almost there. Now, put it in the nest.
You really think this'll work?
Crocodiles, turtles, birds, they all keep eggs in nests. Now, get in there and sit on it. What was that?
It's the mommy dinosaur. She's come for her egg.
Like that, Professor? Does that sound like a mommy dinosaur?
No one knows what the dinosaurs really sounded like.
Let's give it to him again, Mama.
There they are. Nits and gnats, we gotta hurry. Here I go. Got it.
Chiku, grab my tail!
Yay, Tersh!
Ah, it's a birdie.
Yes. A moon castle marabou, a very rare species.
It must must have rolled out of its nest. Rolled out of its nest and got washed down the mountain by the spring meltwaters.
He has traveled a long way to make a new friend.
Yes, Your Majesty, but he needs to go home. He has to see his mommy.
I'll organize an expedition to take him. But what say we all go? We can visit the crocodile slogs on the way. I'm sure your mother would love to see you.
Tersh, I'm sorry I tricked you before. You know, about there really being dinosaurs.
That's okay, Badou. I don't care what he is, as long as he's safe.
Then you're really not too disappointed that he isn't a...
Dinosaur! Dinosaur!
Excuse me, Greatheart, but the gods found these two trying to fly off in your hot air balloon.
King Babar, you must evacuate the ladies and children and crocodiles. There is a dinosaur loose in the kingdom.
Here he is, Uncle.
Muck and mire. That's what was inside the egg? Ah! I'm being attacked!
A baby fills the heart with joy.
I can feel my heart getting big. Big as
a dinosaur.
And long ago, Queen Cleo and her big tusk tribe created the wonderful petroglyphs of Windsong Canyon.
I've seen smaller ones in the jungle. They're rock carvings.
See, young prince, petro means rock and glyph must mean carving. These elephant artists chiseled huge images into the canyon walls, sometimes building towers of stone to get high enough to work. Whoopsie!
They sound pretty cool, Miss Stritch.
The coolest, my spiky scholar. Each petroglyph could sell for a huge sum, but their true worth is in what they teach us about our ancestors. In that, they are priceless.
Papi, are you in here?
Whoa!
I got it. Got it.
Whoa!
Thanks, Papi. Papi, can we hike out to Windsong Canyon?
Yeah, Miss Stritch told us about the petroglyphs.
Of course you can. The glyphs are a magnificent sight. Just be back before sunset. Standing in the place where our ancestors created them is a great experience.
From Babar's palace fountain to the moon castle mountains, we'll hike, hike, hike through the day and night. Ha! Who's there? Show yourself! Show yourself!
We're at Echo Gap.
I read the Big Tusk tribe used to communicate up and down the canyon using echoes.
Pretty smart. Hi-ya!
I wonder who that is.
Whoa! I can't believe these were carved so long ago.
Papi was right. They're tusktastic.
And so big. Boo, look.
Prospero.
What's that bush pirate doing here?
Something rotten, I bet.
What is that?
Nothing good.
This guy is thrilling for a quillin'. Wait, what are you doing, Boo? He's trying to steal the glyph. We gotta stop him.
We can't go after Prospero.
Boo's right. We gotta go back to the palace and get help.
I don't know. By the time my Papi got back with his guards, Prospero might be finished and gone. I've got a better idea. If we untie his balloon, he'll drift off and Prospero won't be able to get away with the glyph.
How are we gonna get past him? He's right there in the middle.
Follow me.
Quick, untie the rope. I knew we should have gone for help instead.
We need a way to pull up the peg. Zawadi!
All right, where are you? I know you're in there somewhere. Gotcha!
She's stuck. From where he is now, Prospero can see the whole area. We can't sneak to the balloon or Zawadi.
Boo, much as I hate backing off, maybe Zawadi was right. We should run and get help from the palace.
We can't now. What if Prospero finds Zawadi? I've got another tastic idea. Climb on. When Prospero isn't looking, I'll launch you at his balloon.
I go in, quills up, get it all leaky.
But then be sneaky. He won't see his balloon losing air right away, so hide fast. When he does notice, I'll sneak in and get Zawadi. Then we'll all run for help. Ready?
Aye, aye, Captain.
Splinter!
Nits and gnats!
We should have gone for help. We'd have been to the palace and back with the guards by now.
Okay, you were right.
He's going for help, finally.
But now he really might not get back in time. We can't wait. We gotta make a break before Prospero finds us. As soon as Prospero looks away, head for those room rocks.
Well. Here's a merry mess of meddlers.
The guards! The royal guards are coming!
Lucky for you, Prospero. Hi-ya!
They're too late. I got what I want, boyo.
He's gonna get away with the glyph!
We gotta stop him!
We can't do it! We're not heavy enough!
Where are those guards?
Hang on! Careful! Don't get under the glyph!
Where's the rescue party?
They're looking at it. You're caught, Prospero. When my Pappy gets here, his guards will arrest you.
Give my regards to the king, boyo. Tell him I couldn't stay.
Look out! Now we run for help.
Oh, this is terrible. How could someone treat such a beautiful work of art so carelessly?
Indeed. At least he didn't get away with it.
Pappy, what if Prospero comes back?
Let him try. I hereby declare Windsong Canyon a protected site. This spot shall be known as the Big Tusk Open Air Museum. Captain of the Guard, have your troops secure the area.
Thumpin' idea, Your Majesty.
Almost as thumping as using imaginary reinforcements to scare off Prospero. But that bush pirate is a dangerous opponent. What if your plan hadn't worked, Badou?
I know, Pappy. I put Monroe and Zawadi in danger. If I'd listened and run back to the palace for help, we'd have saved the glyph and caught Prospero.
It's always better to ask for help before you're in over your tusks.
I guess sometimes asking for help is the most tusk-tastic plan of all.
Speaking of help,
Together now. Heave!
Yeah! Woo!